What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today we are taking a look at International Drive. So I was just having a conversation with the Uber driver. I said, you know, I think Orlando is the premier vacation destination in the entire world, and he agreed. I said I was blown away by Singapore and Hong Kong and Dubai, but when it comes to vacations, Orlando has everyone beat. And there is so much to see and do here. I mean, this whole place is one big theme park. And check this sucker out. This thing was built, completed 3 months ago. It is the tallest swing I have ever seen. Now, if something bigger exists, I haven't seen it. What is this? Cotton candy smells good. And now we are here at the Hollywood Studios in Orlando, Florida. And there's a old Chewbacca. Little Chewbacca up there. Particular park that I'm at now is called Animal Kingdom. I did get the day and a half pass, which costs about $182. It includes all four for day and a half for just one person. I think they give a little bit better deal if you're coming with a family. Obviously, I'm here just filming for YouTube to make this video, but yeah, another.
On the left side, those are sable antelope. Sable antelope are the emblem of the Harambe Bay Reserve, so they are very, very protective of their young. They actually will sleep in a wheel spoke formation so that every member faces outward, and they'll put their babies in the center so that they can protect them that way. But their horns curve backwards over their back to help prevent any predators from jumping on their back. Now as we get a little closer, it looks like we're coming up on a giraffe here. Like I said,
Jungle Trek. Hello.
They use the map, but they use the memory.
From World of Disney at Disney Springs in Orlando, Florida. Well, more like Kissimmee, Florida. It is 10 o'clock in the morning, so this place is just now opening up on a Tuesday morning. Came here when it's kind of... So that Krakatoa looking volcano is Rainforest Cafe. That's the iconic Disney balloon that you see also in Epcot and around some of the Disney parks. They also have one here. Look at this Lego. Let me take a look at Legos. Today we are coming to you from Universal Studios and Island Adventure Universal going to explore these parks today and see what these places have to offer. So first one I'm going to is Universal Studios Florida. Let's go ahead and get started. Might drink some butterbeer and absolutely fall in love with it. Who's in here? There's the butterbeer. Yeah, so in summary, if you're trying to pick, should you come to Disneyland? Should you come to Universal Studios? And my
Hit it, Lewis!
My friend, it's time to take your place in the sun.
What's up, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today we're coming to you from Volcano Bay. By the way, you get this pass here. It's called the Tapu Tapu. That is a revolutionary watch that gets you on these rides. This right here is the famous volcano that Volcano Bay is known for, known as Krakatoa. And let's go. From SeaWorld Orlando. All right here it says book here now to get up close animal interactions. So as you guys know, SeaWorld has taken a great deal of scrutiny over the years after the documentary Blackfish was released to the public. SeaWorld
100 million sharks are killed by people every year. Most only for
Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and we will see you guys next time.